Hello guys. Today I'm going to show you a neat little trick in the Roblox Survival Game. Now it's kind of like you know how in the game, you know in the game, there's just a lot of people in the game and like they'll try and take your stuff. And it's really hard to get ahead in the game and you're always losing your stuff, your armor. Well, today I'm going to show you a neat little trick that I think will get you really far ahead in the Roblox Survival Game. Oh, and a quick tip. I would always have Roblox Survival Game Wiki open in another tab. It's just a very great resource to have and just answer any questions you have about the game. It's really good. I think you guys should use it more often because I learned a lot of stuff on this. Holy commit. Ugh. Yeah, it's good. Anyways, so the tip is private server. So what you're gonna want to do is make a private server. It's free, so it's like whatever. Like, yeah, if it's free and you make it, and you can join it. And this is the crazy part. In a private server, no one can join, which means no one can... Oh my god. Hold on. Holy my ears. Jesus Christ. There we go. Alright. Anyways, since it's a private server, no one can join. It's just you. So, we don't have any interferences whatsoever. So what you're gonna do, if you haven't memorized the entire map already, I would suggest looking up the entire map or just playing it over time and getting better. It's essential that you memorize the map. It's the only way you can get ahead in this game. Anyways, what you're gonna wanna do is come over to this double statue area and there's gonna be some iron nodes that you can mine. I'll be there very soon. I think I'll just cut to that, you know, when I get there. It's very good. Very... yeah. We're almost there. It's very good that I spawned close. Fuck. Anyways, we're here. And the reason why this spot is so good is because there's 2 coal ores on the outside of the entrance, as well as a stone node if you need it. But you're gonna want to come past this little puddle here. Then there will be a boulder, which you'll have to mine out with your pickaxe. And look at that, voila, 5 iron ore nodes. Oh my god. Anyways, you're gonna go ahead and mine them. That's very nice. I got 6 iron ore from that. I got 6 as well from that. Holy shit. But look, it's only because I have the mining maxed. And I get a mining bonus chance of 18%. Which means I get double the iron. Twice the iron. 18% chance of twice the iron. Anyways, I mined the 5 iron nodes. And in a while, they'll respawn. And I'll mine them again. And because I'm alone in this server, no one will ever interfere with my mining. And I can just mine iron nodes for as long as I want. And no one will ever be able to stop me. And once I've mined enough iron nodes, I don't know, I'll just join a random server and I'll be stacked. And then I will go raid people all day. And I will be unstoppable. I'll be able to give people so much iron. Oh my god, that's good. Like, guys, you have to try out this spot. It's super good. Just create a private server. And then come to the double statues. Enter the cave. And then beyond this puddle, there will be a boulder, which you'll have to mine out, which will reveal the 5 iron nodes, which will respawn. And they take a while to respawn. However, if you're dedicated to this game like me, then it's not really a problem at all. And as you survival Roblox game players know, every 45 minutes, a ship will spawn, dropping the blue steel ore, and you'll be able to go mine it without any interference. Therefore, you can get unlimited blue steel ore without anyone attacking you. And then you can create the blue steel furnace, and then you can make a lot of blue steel, which would then translate into your next playthrough in a public server. And then you'll be the best in the server. So what I would recommend you do is you get a lot of blue steel, and then you create a clan, and then you give everyone blue steel. You're going to be so good after I teach you this #1 tip in Roblox Survival Game on Roblox. Do it. Trust me, you'll become so good at this game. Well, I recommend that you only do this if you have no hobbies, passions, or interests like me. Or if you have nothing better to do in your life and you like to grind on Roblox Survival Game all day like a great civilian to society. And being a useful member of society is a very important part of grinding in the Roblox Rust game. What